Are you ready to learn Spanish words related to pets? If so, let's get started. Hi, I'm Jessica from Learning with Jessica Diaz, and today's lesson is all about pets. We're going to learn the words for dog, cat, fish, bird, and rabbit. First up, dog. In Spanish, dog is perro. 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 If you wanted to say, I have a dog, you would say, tengo un perro. Our second word today is cat, gato. 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 If you wanted to say, I have a cat, you would say, yo tengo un gato. Our third word is fish, pez. If you wanted to say, I have a fish, you would say, yo tengo un pez. Our fourth word today is bird, pájaro. 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 If you wanted to say, I have a bird, you would say, tengo un pájaro. Our last word today is rabbit, conejo. 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 If you wanted to say, I have a rabbit, you would say, yo tengo un conejo. Let's review those 5 words. In Spanish, dog is perro. Cat is gato. Fish is pez. Bird is pájaro. And rabbit is conejo. Now let's test your knowledge. How would you say dog in Spanish? Perro. How about cat? How would you say cat in Spanish? Gato. What about fish? How would you say fish in Spanish? If you said pez, you're right. How about bird? How would you say bird in Spanish? Pájaro. And last, how would you say rabbit in Spanish? Conejo. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.